myself Ankita Tiwari from LG Institute of Engineering Technology. I am going to take a session from Module 1, that is Fundamentals of Digital System. The topic that we are going to cover is BCD addition and BCD adder. Now, first of all, we'll start with the BCD addition rules. Here, the maximum number of the sum of the two digits should be 9. That is, maximum digit will be 1 and maximum two digit will be 9 and the previous carry will be 1. So this is what the maximum value is. The next BCD rule is, if sum of the two digit BCD digit is less than or equal to 9 without carry, then the result is a correct BCD number. The third foremost rule is, if sum of the two BCD digit is greater than or equal to 10, that means it is greater than or equal to 10, then the result is incorrect. That is incorrect BCD, then we have to perform some steps. So for that we need to perform the fourth number of step, that is add 6, that is 0110 to the result. So this is what BCD addition rule is. Now we'll see the rule how it goes. That is, maximum sum is 9 plus 1 is equals to 19. So maximum digit is being represented with the number 19. So here the two maximum digit is 9, but we cannot cross the number 9, and the carry from the previous digit is 1. Okay, so that gives the number 19. Now after BCD we'll have why we are adding 6 to the result. So for that, the sum of the two BCD digit, if it increase or it exceeds 9, a carry is being generated. Now converting the invalid digit into a valid digit, the carry generator by adding 6 to the invalid BCD digit passed on to the next BCD digit. Now this is how the result goes. We'll see one example to it. That is, suppose I am having a 5 number, that is 0101, and we are having a 6 number, that is 0110. So we'll get answer, that is 5 plus 6, that is 11. But if I am talking about the BCD number, so answer will get as 1011, which is invalid. Why? Because the number is represented in BCD from 0 to 9. Means after 9 number, 10 number is not represented by 1011. That is represented by 8 digit number, that is 10001 and 00000. So this is what the representation of a number in BCD is. So if we are not getting it, that means we have to add 6 to it. So 0110. Now if I am adding 6 to it, see what happens. We'll get the answer as 0001. See, as you can see here, the answer will get as 0001 and we'll get carry bit, that is 10000. Okay, so this is what happens if I'm adding 6. I'm getting a valid BCD number. So we have to add 6 to the result. Now how we'll see one example. Suppose we have to add 448 and 489 in BCD. Okay, so 448 in BCD is represented by 44 bit. Each and every bit is represented in BCD by 44 bit. So 4 by 0100, another 4 by 0100, 8 1000. Now the another number 489. So 4 is represented by 0100. Okay, we'll place accordingly, that is lower significant bit and higher significant bit, that is more significant, less. Like that only we will represent the numbers as we are representing in decimal. The same thing we are represented in binary in BCD. Okay, now we'll add it. If I am adding it, see, first I am showing you how it goes. First of all, you are adding it and you will get the answer as 10001. Means one carry is being generated from what? The lower order bit. Okay, so from the lower order bit, the last 4 bits, you got one carry bit. Okay, now if I am getting a carry bit, first of all we'll check whether you are getting a carry bit or your number is greater than 9. If I am seeing the number is not greater than 9, but I am getting a carry, so that carry should be carry forwarded to the next number. So that number will be carry forwarded it, and we have to, that is, as if I am adding it, the carry bit is being added, that means adding it, first of all we have to add 6 also. So here if I am adding to the, because we got carry bit, so in that only itself, that is 10001, in that only we will forward it to the next higher order bit, but in that number we'll add 6. So we'll get answer as 0111 as you got it. Now that carry will be added to the next higher order bit and we'll get the answer as 1101. Okay, we'll see it is greater than 9, but the carry is not generated, but it is greater than 9. That means we have to add 6 to it. If I am adding 6 to it, we are getting a carry bit. Now if I am adding a carry bit, I'll add to the next number. Okay, so we'll get the answer in the next number as 1001. So that number is represented in BCD. Now the BCD adder, if I'm talking about when the binary sum is greater than, that is 1001, that is 9, we obtain a non-valid BCD representation. For that, what we have to do, the addition of binary 6 to the binary sum converts it to the correct BCD representation, as we have already seen with the example, and produces an output carrier as we required. Now to distinguish them from binary, that is 1000 and 1001, which also have a 1 in the position Z8, we specify which number, that is further, which number is common, that is Z8 or Z2, it should have a 1 in order to get a common value. So for that, we'll see how it goes. So we'll get one common example, or we can say a common equation, that is C equal to K plus Z8 Z4 plus Z8 Z2. If I'm getting this number, we have to add this number in order to get the equation. How we are getting this equation, that is C equal to, we'll see it. So we have seen here, these are the two tables that we are taking into consideration for BCD and for binary. Now here we'll see, suppose I'm taking a BCD adder sum, that is 10 to, because we know 9 numbers from 0 to 9, it is same for binary also and for BCD also. So we'll not count that, we'll start with the 10 number. Okay, so here this is the BCD adder and this is the binary sum, that is K. Okay, we have just represented the number with different position, that is with different variable, that is here it is represented as C, that the same number is represented as a K, carry bit. Okay, now we'll see how it goes. So you can see that 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so that number, if I'm taking with consideration with the ones, so we know that if K is equal to 1, see, as you can, if K is equal to 1, that means C will be 1. Automatically, directly we got it. Okay, so here same thing, if K is 1, that means 6 should be added. Okay, this is the first thing we got. Now the next thing, if I am taking the same value, that is 10 to 19, if I am taking this binary sum, and if I am saying, see, 1 is already been done, so it's C equal to K plus, we got it from that sum itself. Now if I am seeing the another way, means another consideration, after these 4 I have to go for the other above 4. So here you can see 15, 14, 13 and 12. Just see that in that the common part from S3 and S2, as you can see, the 4 bits are same with the position S3 and S2. So we'll get as S3 star S2. If both the values will be 1, we'll get one product, one number, and the answer C will be 1. So this is the another condition that we got. The next condition that we will get for the common of the for the part for the last two value, that is 10 and 11. As you can see here, in S3 it is 1 and in S1 it is 1. So both are common for that value. So here we'll get K plus S3 dot S2 plus S3 dot S1. Now we'll see this equation example with the diagram itself. Now this is the BCD adder, proper BCD adder. Now we'll see how it goes. We'll take first the two values, that is the two questions. I have taken random example, that is 0, 1, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 1, 0. It goes in the 4-bit adder. Okay, as you can see, S3, S2, S1 and S0, you will get the 4-bit number as 1101, and we'll see whether we got carry bit. No, we didn't get carry bit. So as you can see here, 0 is been passed. Now we'll see the two more conditions, S3, S2 and S3, S4. So S3, S2, we got a value S3 and S2, we got the value as 0. Now we'll see the another one. Yes, S3 and we got the next value as S2, we got the value as 1. Now, S3, S4 value is 0, but S3, S2 value as 1. So we get C value as 1. Now that will be passed to the C input. Now it will become as 0, 1, 1, 0, 6. That means you have to add 6 to the sum that we got, that is S3, S2, S1 and S0. We'll add it and we'll get the answer. So this is what BCD adder is. It comprises of 4-bit adder, 4-bit adder, one more, because we are adding 6 to it, the number, the answer we got it, and you have to configure that the equation in the form of gates. So here the 3 gates are being applied, that is 2 AND gates with the 2 conditions S3, S2 and S3, S1, and here the OR gate with the 3 conditions K, S3, S2 and S3, S1. So these are the three conditions which will be decided by this OR gate, and you'll get that will be applied to the C input 0110, and you will get the 4-bit sum as in the BCD adder we are getting it. So this is what we have done, that is BCD addition and BCD adder in this topic. Thank you.